Here at the shop still working, and I came across a little opportunity to do a little teaching or academic moment here. A lot of times we have people reach out for Kaiser style headlight buckets because they bend them up, taking them out, and I just wanted to show you a way to not bend them up. So this is a 63, and early models, they actually had a gasket back here, and they sealed these things in tight, man. And a lot of times they don't come out easily, so people take pry bars, stick them in, and try to start ripping. And of course, you mess up your grill support, and you do a lot of damage to a bunch of other stuff in the meantime. So, my favorite subject, heat management, you know. So, real quick, push on it. I mean, it's freaking glue, man. It's been in there for 50 plus years, and she don't want to come out. So, something simple, and you got to keep moving it back and forth. This is not an expensive heat gun, man. I bought this probably 20 years ago. I believe the temperature output is like 1800 degrees or so, but it gets hot. So you want to keep dancing up and down, essentially just encompassing the area here. So heating it up, and then you'll start to see a little bubble in. And as she bubbles, she'll slowly start to come out. And it's just like being on a first date. If you force too hard, you're not going anywhere with anybody. So, nice and gentle. And there's where you force too hard, she comes out. All right, so she survived. Nothing broke, nothing bent, nothing, anything. Also no pry bar either. But anyhow, so there she is. I'd recommend maybe not shooting a video when you do yours, so you can do it a little gentler and not try to get it under 2 minutes. All right, once again, Adam McDaniel at JeepersCyclers.com. I appreciate everybody's support. I'll never stop fighting, and we're here for the duration. So once again, thanks for the support. You guys have a great Friday night. All right, take care, y'all.